2025 GasGas MC 450F Prado Edition. First look, 10 fast facts. The 2025 GasGas MC 450F Prado Edition has landed, turning heads with its factory-inspired design and exclusive features. Built to celebrate Jorge Prado's dominance in the MXGP scene, this special edition blends race-proven performance with rider-focused refinements, making it a standout in the 450 cubic centimeters motocross world. Here are 10 fast facts about this exciting machine. Celebrating a champion, the Prado Edition pays tribute to Jorge Prado, the Spanish motocross ace and reigning MXGP world champion. This special model is inspired by Prado's own factory race bike, offering enthusiasts a taste of top-level motocross performance. Race-ready engine, powering the Prado Edition is the proven 449.9 cubic centimeters SOHC 4-stroke engine, renowned for its broad power band and strong mid-range punch. For 2025, refinements to the mapping ensure smoother throttle response and optimized power delivery across the rev range. Exclusive livery, visually, the Prado Edition stands out with a bold red and white graphics package, mirroring the design of Prado's GP machine. Custom number plates and subtle touches hint at its special status. Factory suspension upgrades, this model gets a serious suspension boost with WP-Zacked front forks featuring AER technology and a fully adjustable WP-Zacked rear shock. These upgrades deliver improved bottoming resistance and allow precise tuning for different tracks and rider preferences. Lightweight chassis, built around GasGas's signature lightweight chromium molybdenum steel frame, the Prado Edition offers exceptional agility and stability. Updates for 2025 focus on optimized flex characteristics to balance comfort and cornering precision. Acropovic exhaust system, a premium Acropovic slip-on exhaust comes standard, reducing weight and enhancing the bike's throaty exhaust note. It also contributes to a slight performance bump in the mid to top end power. Factory racing components, riders will appreciate extras like a billet Hinson clutch cover, grippy factory seat cover, and high-performance Brembo brakes that ensure stopping power matches the bike's blistering speed. Electric start and launch control, as expected from a modern MX contender, the Prado Edition features push-button electric start and launch control to give riders the best possible jump out of the gate. Dunlop MX33 tires, wrapping up the performance package are Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires, offering excellent grip and predictable handling across a variety of track surfaces. Limited availability, like most special editions, the 2025 GasGas MC 450F Prado Edition will be produced in limited numbers, making it a sought-after machine for collectors and serious racers alike. With its blend of factory tech and special touches, the 2025 GasGas MC 450F Prado Edition offers riders an authentic slice of MXGP performance. Whether you're hitting the track on race day or simply seeking a premium 450 cubic centimeters motocross experience, this special edition delivers in spades.